Hello, with this video, my objective is to help a lot of people with a very basic problem. If you're hearing like a thump or like a noise every time your HVAC, your air conditioning like starts and finishes, and you hear like a thump, like something's breaking down, it's nothing breaking down, it's actually just your air filter that's loose. So if you think about it, it makes sense. Every time the air conditioning is on, it's gonna be sucking in the filter, so it pulls it towards the ceiling, so the roof, and then when the HVAC stops, it's gonna drop and it's gonna make that sound, that cling with the screen, and you're gonna be thinking, oh my god, wow, what's breaking down? Well, nothing's breaking down. All you have to do is just make sure, double check that your air filter is nice and taut, nice and tight and snug, and that's all. That should fix that problem.